In this house there were smiles, but one frame stayed empty.
Back then we had no camera, no money for one nice photo.
He lived without a portrait, but carried a heart of gold. Now I hold a phone in my hand and his story in my eyes.
This time the world will see him,
Even if time has moved on, that empty frame found its light, a memory turned alive, not a fantasy, a family truth, a face we never got to keep.
some losses don't return,
But love can still be seen.
You should be here. I remember everything.
When I was your age, we couldn't afford even one photo. Then let me make sure your story is finally seen, Grandpa.
To the late India, sir.
The house was always filled with the scent of jasmine.
And my brother Adalitya and
ಹೇಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಇಡಿಲ್ಲ
Tell the Nabubu to the late India, sir.
The house was always filled with the scent of jasmine.
And my brother Adalitya and
Appa, this is Amma.
story has a face. Now the silence has a name. Even the empty frame is smiling.